Hi guys, good morning. So today we are here in El Nido town and for today's weather update. So sun is out and it's very sunny today. It's Friday. Thanks God it's Friday. Binigyan niya tayo ng magandang panahon. So we are here in El Nido town kasi meron tayong dispatch here. And as you can see, napakatahimik ng paligid. Actually, nagpapa-dispatch pa yung iba. Usually talaga yung dispatching time dito ay 9 to 10. Pero yung call time talaga dito nila, lalo na kung private, is 8 a.m. So, yeah. Look at the weather. It's very sunny. And yun nga lang, low tide talaga. From Kurong-Kurong hanggang dito sa bayan. Kasi isa lang naman yung dagat. So, ayan kung makikita po ninyo. Ayan yung itsura ng port dito sa El Nido Town. Napakadaming bangka, guys. So, sa likod ko, yan yung mga magpapadispatch. Yung iba, hindi pa umaalis kasi still waiting for other guests. And yun. So, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. So, napakabilis ng panahon. And if you really want to book your private getaway, guys, kindly send a message to me, El Nido Island Girl. So I'm willing to assist you there po. And you can visit also our website, elnidoislandgirl.com. And of course, our TikTok, same lang, YouTube, El Nido Island Girl, and Island Girl sa ating Instagram. So kung gusto niyo lang naman po mag-private tour, so I can assist you po. And if you want naman as joiners, yeah, pwede rin naman po. So, don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page again, El Nido Island Girl. So, this is our weather update, guys. Yeah. Maraming salamat po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.